Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error that says Epic Game Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely. This is a pretty simple fix, just follow these steps. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. For example, you might see Epic Game Launcher running, but just right click, or you can search for it actually, click Epic Games, right click, and click End Task. Open the File Explorer, go to C drive, open Program File 86, go for Epic Game folder, right click and delete it. Just wait a few seconds. Make sure no Epic Games process are running in the background or the folder may not be deleted properly. So, Step 3. Re-download the Epic Game Launcher. Next step, open your browser and go to the Epic Games Store website. Just click download and wait for it to complete. Once it downloaded, open the file and click run. After launching the installer, just click remove and then click remove again and wait a few seconds. After that, click finish and relaunch the installer, and with this time click repair, and that's it. Just reopen your Epic Game Launcher, just wait a few minutes for the update and it will run smoothly. And if the first method didn't work for you, just try to open Microsoft Store and install it from Microsoft Store. Search for Epic Games right here and click install. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment which solution works for you, and make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips.